Because Joanne will have nosebleed. You know why? She will having nosebleed when she fight you. But you know, Joanne's personality now is getting like fun. You know, before is she don't talk much, and she's like, the summary is she's boring. Yeah, the summary is she's boring. You know?
Am I boring?
Yes, and now she's being fun. She laughs, she talk. But before it's like she's boring. Tol sanainen. But yes, tol. But now she's really fun. And Rogelina, nothing changed. Just the same. Nothing changed, you know? She's just like laughing like tawa yung jowa ni Rogelin. Yes. She was just like just like reaction like that, you know. I know everyone in my group, but I'm the one who always talkative. But we're lost? Yeah, it's fine. I'm not lost.
Okay. It just looks different because there's a lot more grass there.
Yes, than having the snow.
Dito siya nakatira?
Hindi, magala sila, day.
Lagi yung nag-hike.
Oo. Nakahanap nga ng katapat si Jo. Nakahanap siya ng katapat.
Wala na talaga si, yung isa.
Huwag mo na, mamaya natin mag-chismis. Mag-chika muna tayo, mag-tour muna tayo.
Wala, ay, Rodalin.
Gagus.
Wala.
We're having Patawa talaga ako sa jowa ni Rogelin. Kahit hunghong lang ni Rogelin, lilihaw talaga. Ay! Anong pangalan ng jowa mo dahil?
Ansi.
Ansi. Ansi, you're very funny. You're very funny. Too much funny. How did Rogelin get angry with you? Because she's
gotten angry with me so many times.
Yeah, and then how did she get angry like you?
So many.
But did she just like get angry like, sure, oh, I will stop. I don't know how to speak anymore.
It's too complicated. She piles up things on top of things.
Because that one is crazy. Mawala yan. Wala yan. Sabi, di ba yan malata ka da? Giingnan ta ka da nga ano?
It's fine. We have.
Yeah, but she's like crazy girl when she get angry, right? We call it Super Saiyan. Ansi, you don't know? You call it now your Super Saiyan. Have you know the Dragon Ball Z? Have you watched that cartoons? Yeah, you try to watch that one when Sangoku is very angry. And then Rogelin is the same. Like Super Saiyan. And then have power. It's here. It's... Oh. Oh, you already have. It's nice. Then we will pick berries now. Yeah, the picking. No. Yeah, it's still very small. Misa. Ako naman makiya, bye. Ika Viela. Viela.
But they're small.
Yes, still small, very small.
This is how big they get.
Oh, because in Kuopio it's like this big. We don't take that.
No, pensasmustikat. They are different breed.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
And then si Ansi, explore din yung jowa mo dayo. Go, Ansi.
Oh yeah.
We can do it. Ansi. Ah, it's another breed in Kuopio. You see. Because this one is very small. Ah! It's not sweet.
Sour.
Yeah.
Kasi yung violet kasi yung kulay mo.
Kaya hindi pa rin. Maasim. In Kopyo, it's like it's big. And then it's sweet. Ah, ito day. Oh. Yuha is a nice tour guide. Yeah, here we go, guys. So we will go here, up here. So I enjoy my day in Porco. I can be here, like here. So, akit kami sa taas. Wala pa man. Ah, it's really nice here. Oh my God. Yes. Wow. It's nice here when you get drunk. Right? It's very nice. Ganda dito din. Yep. This one is really nice. Here they know. Fresh.
Sen sulle.
Yes.
You're welcome.
No. No, sorry. Hi. Why do you have many frogs here?
I don't know. Don't step on them. They're so small.
Yeah, but it's very small. Is this poisonous or no?
Pag rainy season, ang mga ano?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah. It's really nice. Kukak, kukak.
Look how many.
In Philippines,
We have big frog.
every rainy season, they
Very noisy. It's very noisy. Ah, very small frog. Only the bangus will eat this one. Nasaan na si Rogelyn? Nawala si Rogelyn, day. The beach! It's a beach! It's very windy beach. Beach! Nawala na sila, day. Ayun, kailangan man siya magpaaday. Oh, the bird, the bird. Day, nasaan na sila, Rogelyn, day? Oo. Basin. Very hot. Oh, it's very nice. The bird. The bird. It's really nice. The beach. Nawala na sila Rogelyn, Day. I think so. Oh, they're eating already. Day, sumama ka sana sa amin, Day. Day, sumama ka sana sa amin. Sumama ka sana sa amin. Ako nga yung ano lang dun eh.
Ay, kaya nga.